Hey there, welcome to Violet's DIY Style. I'm Violet. If this is your first time to my channel, I hope you consider subscribing. Also, don't forget to click on that bell button so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share with friends and family. So today I'm going to share with you how I made this adorable 1-year-old birthday balloon centerpiece using Dollar Tree balloons. So what I did was I went to Dollar Tree and I found some really cute, adorable, different balloons that you can actually just blow up. I got this one foil gold 1-year number 1 balloon and also a star balloon and this really pretty unicorn balloon. And what I did was just blow those up, and it comes with a little straw that you just insert and just basically blow air into it. You can use a pump, but mainly you could just blow it in with some with your mouth. So just go ahead and blow up all 3 balloons, or with as many as you want to use, just depending on how big the centerpiece you want. I kind of stayed with the standard smaller size centerpiece. So what again, you just go ahead and insert that straw and blow that air into each one of these different foil balloons. Then what I did was I just used my balloon machine to blow air into them and just randomly started blowing different balloons up. I am making a few different centerpieces for certain different parties, so you will see me blowing up random balloons that aren't going to be used with this centerpiece. But what I did use were the purple and red for this one. So just blow up individual balloons of different sizes. Just make sure that you do grab at least 4 of the same color and blow all 4 of those up the same size. So basically these purple ones are about a 3-inch. So it just depends on how big or how much air you want to blow into each one of the balloons. But I do recommend you not blow too much, to let them be a little bit looser. That way your balloon won't pop, because if you blow too much air into each one of these balloons, you'll have that risk of them popping with any little touch, or especially if you're going to do an outdoor party and you're going to use this as a centerpiece on an outdoor party, you might want to go ahead and make sure you blow them up a little bit less than what it says on there. So for example, if it says a 10-inch, go ahead and just blow up no more than 8-inch or less for each one of the balloons. That kind of gives you an idea of how much air you should blow into each one of the balloons. So once I figured out which balloons I wanted to use, I went ahead and set them all aside. Just grabbed a loose balloon that I had, and you can insert little marbles like I did, or sand. I know some people even actually put water into one of these balloons and just freeze them and use them that way. Again, just make sure you don't add water, especially if you're going to do water into one of these balloons, because you don't want to run the risk of them popping. So once you're done with that, go ahead and get some ribbon, string, yarn, or fish yarn, or like I did, a balloon, and just start tying it to that holder, and then you're going to wrap it around what's going to be your first stand or the first part of your centerpiece. In my case, it's going to be the purple ones. So just go ahead and tie a knot with that string or balloon like I'm using, and then just make sure it's in the center, and then go ahead and start layering and adding the rest of your balloon sections onto your centerpiece, and just wrap it around as many times as you feel comfortable. I tend to do like 3 to 4, and then just make sure that that string or balloon is right in the center. And then I grabbed one of the foil balloons, which is going to be the unicorn first. And then I just wrapped another balloon around that one at the bottom part. And you're going to see that I just grabbed my scissors just to make sure that air, that extra air that was in that balloon is taken out. That way you won't have that kind of bothering you or moving the balloon around once you add it to your centerpiece. Then kind of figure out where you want to add your balloon, and then start wrapping it around the ready stand that you already have set up. So as you can see, I'm just kind of wrapping it around. Don't worry about exactly where it's going to be, because once you're done wrapping it around and securing it to your centerpiece, you can move that balloon around, especially if you're using the balloons like I am, because it has that elasticity that you can move it around. Then once you add that first balloon, you're going to go ahead and start adding all the rest of the decorative balloons that you're going to add to your centerpiece. In my case, I went ahead and added the number 1 because I want to make sure that one is right in the center, and just tie it with one of the balloons or ribbons that you're using and wrap it around to make sure it's nice and secure. Then go ahead and make sure you have that extra string or balloon on the opposite side. That way you know where they're at, so you can go ahead and start adding any extra balloons that you want on there. So I decided to go ahead and get that star one and do the same thing. I just wanted to share with you how I did it again. Just grab a balloon like I did or some ribbon, tie it to the bottom of whatever balloon you want to attach to your centerpiece, and then you're just going to go ahead and start wrapping that rope or balloon around your centerpiece. And again, you can wrap it around as many times as you like, just to make sure it's nice and secure. Now, I'm giving you an idea of how to make this balloon centerpiece for a 1-year-old, but of course you can do this for all kinds of birthday parties or gatherings. You can add, like for a 1-year anniversary, and use gold and black, graduation. So really, centerpieces can be used for any occasion. Just depends on what style you want to use, what color balloons. Again, I'm just showing you one of the simplest ways of making one. So just to add little pops of different colors and make it more festive, I just blew up some smaller balloons, in my case yellow, and some blue ones, just to kind of add the final touches to my centerpiece. And with that extra balloon that I'm wrapping around, just go ahead and secure each one of these balloons to your centerpiece, and there you have it. And once you're done adding all your balloons, you can adjust everything and just make sure all your balloons are exactly where you want them. And again, they're easy to adjust. Just go ahead and fix them up, and there you have it, an adorable balloon centerpiece. So I hope you enjoyed this DIY. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share with friends and family. And if you have any ideas or any upcoming events and you want suggestions of how to make any kind of centerpiece, let me know in the comments below, and I'll be more than happy to try to make a DIY and share my idea on how to make any centerpiece. Until next time, you guys stay blessed. Bye.